Welcome to lecture 1A of our website building course, how to build your own website using WordPress. My name is Betha Khogong. I'll be your instructor for this course. In this lecture, we're going to discuss a little bit of the theory of what is web hosting. What does it mean to host a website, and why do we need to pay people to do it for us? So basically, let's take it down to the details. What is a website? A website is basically a document. So imagine this PowerPoint presentation as a document. This document has got images and words, and when you read it, you can see the message that I'm trying to send to you. The message I'm sending to you now is, what is this website? What is website hosting? And it's got an image next to it. But imagine I wanted to share this document with other people across the world. I would have to put this website out of my computer into an online system where other people would access it. That's where the internet comes in. I can actually share this document off my computer through a port on my computer if my computer is online, and other people can access this document from anywhere in the world if they have the address of my computer to access it with. Now, the problem with this arrangement and why we don't do it like this is, as soon as I turn my computer off, as soon as I go to sleep, as soon as I need to save power on my computer, on my document, on my computer, it'll switch off. And if my computer is switched off, it stops sharing the document. So if someone wants to go and read this document sometime when my computer is switched off, they can't access it. So for me to share this document with you, I have to have it on an open port over the internet, and it has to be available constantly, and you have to be able to access it at any given time. This is why we go to third-party servers, providers who have servers that are constantly online so that they can host our documents for us. And these documents over time, we have managed to build them to look really nice. And this is what a website is. It's just a really nice document that's got pictures and images and videos, and it's got lots of stuff dancing. And we are able to share the message across of our company, of what it is we are trying to portray through this document. But we put it in a computer that is online, that anybody can access at any time. Hence, we need to host it. There are companies that do it, that provide hosting packages. What they promise you is, we have a computer that will be on 24/7. You can give us your document and we will host it for you, which means anybody that wants to access this document of yours can access it at any time, day and night. Our computers will be on 99% of the time, and hence your website is always online. And this is what web hosting is. This is now why you have to pay somebody to host this for you. Now suddenly it makes sense why web hosting is not free. And if you find free packages, well, they're not really always what you're looking for, because you are running a company, you want to share a message through your website, and you want it to look the way that you want it. You want to personalize it. You want it to have your own domain. You want to call it whatever you want to call it, hence the pricing if it comes in. Now that we've explained in layman terms what website hosting is, let's look at a couple of website hosting options that we have available. And for that, we're going to go into section 2 of this lecture, investigating a couple of hosting options.